We're back. Day 2. It's taking a little bit longer than anticipated, but did find, which Alex already cut out, there was a hole as I was standing in the rocker panel down here. So we cut it out. He's gonna weld that tonight, so we don't have to worry about it. But I did start with the hood, which took me way longer than expected. We originally started with a hole about, not a hole, but almost rust through hole about that big, which now became this. You could see all the like spots that were underneath the paint. I think I got most of it. I still see some rust here I'm gonna have to deal with, but yeah, so there's that, and I'm about to go ahead and plastied up these. Thought about lining them, but I'm not planning on putting anything on the roof. I don't know what you would put on the roof of this tiny car, but I guess people can get creative. I'm just not gonna be one of those people. Anyway, update, gonna keep going. Really not much to do other to show you guys here other than just constant sanding, constant rust, more than I thought it was gonna be. And I'll update you as we move along. So for this next part, which I already did on the hood, but I'm gonna be using this for any of that bare metal. And because there's a lot of rust on this car, I did actually sand a lot down to bare metal. So gonna make sure that I cover all the spots, otherwise the Raptorliner will not bond with the bare metal, so that's very important. I'll be doing that for the entire car. Okay. So this is the last coat of the Plasti Dip for the crossbars and the tie-down rails on the roof. They came out pretty good, considering there's pollen everywhere. Doesn't look too bad. They're way better than what they were. Yeah, this will be it for this plastic. I do have adhesion promoter for the bumpers as well, which I'll be using just for Plasti Dip. But yep, they're looking pretty good. So I'll get back to cleaning everything with alcohol in the car, and thank you for your straight pipe car. Anyway, I will get back to I'll get back to the self-etching primer here, but after I finish cleaning the car down with some rubbing alcohol so it adheres, and we'll go from there. Yep. So I did debadge it. I do have plans on putting it back, but I had to sand it down to bare metal to get that 20-something-year-old double-sided tape off. So I've got a couple more shots of doing the self-etching primer, and we'll carry on.